10 things you need to do before starting a business. Starting a small business is no small decision. But despite the countless sacrifices and challenges small business owners face, an overwhelming 84% of small business owners would do it all over again. If you're thinking about taking the plunge and starting a business of your own, there are some key steps you need to take first. Here are the 10 things you need to do before starting a business. Welcome back to another episode of Trustify. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. In this episode we will be going over 10 things you need to do before starting a business. Let's dive in. 1. Develop a powerful message. What customer problem are you solving that potential customers are willing to pay for? This is often called the value proposition. Also, why will your business be operationally and financially successful? 2. Focus on the customer and fully understand the market. There are many examples of companies that do not have the best product/service or are not first to market, yet are very successful because they have mastered online marketing and sales. Research the demographics of your potential customer base and understand their buying habits. Watch competitors, talk with similar businesses, browse your competitors' websites, and understand what their customers are saying about them on social media. 3. Start small and grow. If possible, self-fund your business idea and then go for funding when you can create a growth story. This might cause you to break up your product/service offering into smaller pieces so you can fund the early stages and get some traction and experience. Tip: use this advice to determine how much cash your small business should have. 4. Understand your own strengths, skills, and time available. When running a business, know when you need to engage an accountant, lawyer, insurance agent, marketing specialist, web page designer, or other professional. This will start your management process as a business owner. Constant Contact offers a variety of professional marketing services for those who need professional assistance or want to jumpstart their online marketing efforts. 5. Surround yourself with advisors and mentors. Launching and growing a business is difficult, and more than half will fail within 5 years. No one person can have all the knowledge, experience, or even perspective to handle every business situation. Gain from others' skills and experiences. 6. Get a mentor. If you're not sure where to find a mentor, SCORE is a great place to start. SCORE mentors are free, just visit www.score.org to find a face-to-face mentor near you or a mentor to contact via email or Skype. Also at this site are many free workshops, webinars, and templates all focused on helping entrepreneurs successfully start and grow a business. You can also find mentors on sites like LinkedIn, by attending a local small business meetup, or just asking around. You might be surprised at people in your circles who can offer useful advice based on their experiences. 7. Write a business plan. Starting a business is difficult and risky. It's easy to spend all your time and resources at it. Before you start, figure out what type of business you will have. Will it be a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC? Then put together your plan. Having a written plan with your projected results and personal goals is the best way to stay on track. As an example, your business may make a $20,000 profit. But if you live in a large city, support a family and maybe elderly parents, and are trying to save for kids' college and retirement, then most likely $20,000 is not enough. Don't try to do everything at once either. Focusing on the key components of a business plan will put your ideas in concrete terms and help you identify places to change the business model where necessary. 8. Know your numbers. Have a good grasp on the numbers that tell you how your business is doing and what you can expect. These include your startup costs, sales, projected profits, cash flow, and much more, depending on the nature of your business and how you define success. You will be making many decisions on the fly, and knowing the numbers, the business economics, will help ensure you make the right decisions. Look for ways to cut costs where you can. Use cost-effective tools like email marketing and social media marketing to drive awareness, rather than pricier traditional advertising methods. Tip: here are 10 ways to market your small business on a shoestring budget. 9. Understand there are no entitlements. Don't underestimate this one. You will work hard for all your achievements. Being a small business owner is one of the hardest jobs around. In a recent survey, 40% of small business owners said they don't take vacations and have their money tied up in their business. 10. Have a passion for what you are doing. Being a business founder can be very lonely and there are not enough hours in the day to accomplish everything. From big successes to large letdowns, if you're not fueled by passion at every step of the way, your job becomes that much harder. Remember why you started your business and let your passion drive you continuously. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about 10 things you need to do before starting a business. Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.